Okay, guys, last video for today, hopefully. So you've done the we've just described the square and the cube as far as I remember. Just going to have a quick check of that. Yes, we did. Good. Okay, so the last part of today is the next link. It's a progression from the last set of exercises that you did. So the last set of exercises were all about squared units, okay, or to the power of 2. This is just going to build on that. Read the information and try the practice and challenge questions to see how you get on, and it's at this website. Now, I do want to show you something here. I'm going to flick over to that website, hopefully in a second. Yeah, this is the one I want. This is you to write 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 using an exponent, okay? Just so you understand how to answer that. So you write in the base number, which is 7, and then it'll give you options on what format you want to use. So when we're writing using exponents, this is the format we use, okay? A to the power of b. So you put in your number that you want as your base, and then when you click this, now probably won't work because we're in the video. Oh, that did work. Great. Okay, so you see what it's done there? The cursor has moved up here so that we can put our power in. Okay, so that one I will let you work out yourself. Okay, it's not difficult, but that's how you do that. So you just put in the number that you want as your base and then click the format, which in this case is this one here, and that allows you to put the power in. All right. Flicking back here to our lesson plan, then once you've completed the exercises above, have a go at the last 2 worksheets. Now, simple exponents. Do this one without a calculator and show how you got your answer. So let me go to that. I have that open somewhere. Hold on a second. In here, simple exponents. Maybe it's exponents simple. Okay, that's maybe what I named it. All right, but you'll have it in your email. Okay, and what I just asked you to do is evaluate these. Okay, so for example, this one would be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which would be 16. Okay, but I want you to show me the 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 and work out what it is. The answers are given in these. This one, you can't see it there, but that's an answer page. Yep, there we go. Loaded. Okay, and me how you get to the 16 as well. All right, because I don't want you to do it on a calculator. I want to make sure that you do understand it. Sorry, brief interruption there, guys. Apologies. So yeah, so do this one. Okay, the answers are there, but please try and do it yourself. There's no point in you just looking at the answers, but that's why I'm asking you to write out the actual multiplication sum that you get. Okay, that's the first one, and then the other one is called squares underscore cubes. Now you can use a calculator for this one. Okay. This one looks like squares underscore cubes. I don't know what a cube is. This one is in landscape. I don't know if it'll rotate for me real time on this, but basically you've got a wheel to refresh on this screen. Okay, so it's asking you, okay, what's 1 squared? That's 1 by 1, which is obviously going to be 1. Okay, what's 2 squared? 2 times 2, 4. 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, and so on. Okay, you probably won't need a calculator, but the cubed one is a little bit more difficult. I'm going to see if I can rotate this just for the crack. Probably take it. Oh, there we go. It's much easier. That was quicker than I thought. Okay, so the cubed one. Okay, so it's the same thing except it's the cubed answer. So 2 by 2 by 2 will give you 8. 3 by 3 by 3 will give you 27, and so on. So some of those numbers are getting quite big, so do use your calculator for that one. All right, so it's just a bit of practice on what you've seen in the videos and the other worksheets so far. All right, so that is it for this week's class. We can run this into next week if you don't get a chance to get through it all. I'll post these videos. I'll send you the links for them. You already have all of the lesson plan and the worksheets in your email. So I'll give you a call later on in the week if I don't hear anything from you, and just make sure you can see what I've sent you. Okay, so have a good week, guys. Thank you. Talk soon. Bye-bye.